Hello and welcome back to Growing Family Garden. A couple of weeks ago I tried something a little bit different with my first early potatoes after seeing the method on YouTube, and I shared the progress on Facebook. Now the plants look great, strong, healthy growth, but the comments, well, let's just say they were a little mixed. Some people loved the idea and said they're trying it too, others not so much. So today I'm going to show you exactly what we did, how the plants look now, and whether this controversial method might actually get us earlier potatoes. So here's what we did. Instead of planting the seed potatoes straight into large tubs or straight into the ground, we tried starting them off indoors first. Each seed potato went into a small pot with compost and a little vermiculite and a just light watering. Then we placed them all in a tray indoors where it was warmer just to get them going. The idea behind this is pretty simple. Rather than the potatoes sitting in cold soil doing nothing or doing something slowly for weeks, they can get established first. And 12 days, this is what we ended up with. Nice, strong shoots, healthy growth already. When I posted this on Facebook, the response was really interesting. A lot of people were really positive. Some comments said things like, I've never seen this or heard of this before, brilliant idea. I've got this going too, it's a great idea. And others said that they'd be watching closely just to see how it turned out. But there were a few comments that were a bit more sceptical. Things like, you might only get many potatoes, these pots are far too small. One comment said it was actually silly to try and fool Mother Nature. Now, to be fair, gardening is full of different opinions, and people have been growing potatoes for a very long time. So I completely understand why some gardeners stick to what they know works. For me, this is simply an experiment. The plants look strong, they've established quickly, and if this means that we can get our first early potatoes a few weeks sooner, then why not test it? And if it doesn't work, well, that's part of gardening too. Sometimes the best way to learn is just to try things for yourself. So the next step was to move them into the greenhouse. They were planted nice and deep into 30-litre tubs with plenty of compost so the plants could continue to grow and produce potatoes. The greenhouse should also protect them from the cold weather, which is another advantage this early in the season. From here on in, we'll just keep watering them and watch how they develop. If you enjoy growing your own food, make sure you check out some of the other videos on our channel. We've got things like what vegetables to sow each month, jobs to do in the allotment garden throughout the year, and plenty more tips to help you get a great harvest. But now I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever tried starting potatoes indoors like this? Did it give you an earlier harvest, or did it not make that much difference? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, we'll keep you updated on how these potatoes get on. So make sure you subscribe to Growing Family Garden and we'll see if this method actually works. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.